Good morning children. On yesterday's class means on Tuesday class what we learned? We learned about the subtraction. We started the new lesson number 4, subtraction. In that we learned about the concept of subtraction, terms of subtraction and properties of subtraction. The terms we used to call as a minuend as a first term, subtrahend as a second term and the answer as a difference. We used to call these terms as a minuend, subtrahend and the difference. Next, about the properties. How many properties of subtraction we are having? We are having 3 properties of subtraction. First is the zero property, means by subtracting 0 in any number, the difference what we will get children? We will get the number other than 0. We will get non-zero difference. Second property, subtracting number by itself. What the difference we will get? Always we will get the difference 0. Next and the last property, by changing the order, the difference will changes in the subtraction. We will not get the difference as same. This is the third property of subtraction. These 3 property we already learned in our previous classes. In today's class, we will see exercise 4.2, quick way to subtract. Okay? We already learned about the addition. 3, 4, 5 digit number with carry, without carry, quick way to add. This all concept we already learned. Now we will learn without help of arranging the numbers in a column, just by seeing the number in a quick way how to subtract the number we will learn in today's class, which is present in the textbook, page number 109. Textbook, page number 109 contains exercise 4.2, quick way to subtract. This we will learn in textbook. So open this page children. See children, page number 109, quick way to subtract. At first take down classwork and today's date. Some of the example I will teach you and remaining I will give you as a homework. So you have to complete whole page children. Okay. First subtract. Example they given 17 minus 3. From 17 ones we have to consider it as a 17 ones and 3 ones. In a 17 ones take away 3 ones. How many ones were left here? 14 ones were left. Means what we had to do? We had to remember the digit 7 and 3 here. 3 we had to remember. We had to count in a forward direction to get a number 17. How many times we will count? 14 times. This is a difference. Same way. Here what we had to do? In a 19 we had to, in a 19 ones we had to subtract 5. Children, remember the digit 5, count in a forward direction to get a till 19. After to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19. How many times we counted? We counted for 14 times. Okay, we had to start counting the number after to 9 till after to 5 till 19. So how many times we counted? 14 times. Same, after to 9 we had to count till 14. After to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We counted for 5 times. After to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many times we counted? 9 times. After to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this we had to count the numbers after to the which number? After to the subtrahend till minuend. These are homework for you. Next, subtract 120 minus 70. From 12 tens. From 12 tens we had to subtract 7 tens. So how many tens were left here? 5 tens. Okay, here we will leave this 0. We are not going to bother about 0 as it is we used to write. We have to count the number after to 6 till 13. After to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many times we counted? We counted for 7 times. The difference is 70. As it is we have to count. After to 6, it is only 1, 7. 0 as it is, we have to count after to 5. After to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to count the number till we reaches to the minuend. Same way we had to count. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many times we counted? 4 times. Okay, like this. It is the easiest way to find the quick way of subtraction. Next, same we had to count for hundreds. We are not going to bother about the ones and tens place. We are having 0. As it is we will write 0. Why? Because children, by subtracting 0 in a 0, the difference we will get 0 itself. After to 3, we will get only one number. So 1 is the difference. 100 is the difference. 0, 0. Same we had to write. After to 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times we counted? 3 times. Same we had to write 0. After to 5, we had to count till 12. After to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many times we counted? We counted for 7 times. 0, 0. After to 7, we had to count till 13. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We counted for 6 times. Remaining these two are homework for you. Easiest way this is. What we have to do? First we have to subtract the 0. Subtracting 0 in 0, we will get the difference as 0 itself. Then we have to subtract the number. We have to count the numbers from subtrahend to get till minuend, and we had to count the number of fingers we counted, and we had to write the difference. Next, this is about the thousands place. Remaining ones place, tens place, and the hundreds place visit we had to write 0. Why? Because children, subtracting 0 in 0, we will get the difference as 0 itself. After to 5, we had to count to get till 9. After to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times we counted? 5 times. Same we had to write 0. After to 7, we will get 8. Only for 1 times we counted. 0, 0, 0. After to 6, we used to count only for 1 time. Same we had to follow for the remaining. After to 5, after to 4, 5, 6. We counted for 2 times. Like this, remaining only 2 examples are homework for you. Complete as a homework. And the last, find the missing numbers. We already learned we learned in our yesterday's class about the concept of subtraction. By adding the subtrahend and difference, we will get the minuend, and by subtracting one of the term in the difference, one of the term in the minuend, we will get the subtrahend. Means in total 8. In total 8, what we had to do? We had to fold how many fingers? 3 fingers. The remaining 5 is our answer. To clarify our answer, what we had to do? You subtract the number 0 as it is in total 8. If we subtract 5 means what the difference we will get? It is equal to 3. It is equal to 3. So, now next, what we have to do? To get the minuend, we have to add this. Okay? 5 plus 3 is 8. Remaining 0 as it is. You clarify your answer. In total 8. Now In total 8,000. In total 8,000. We have to subtract 5,000. Remaining 3,000. To get a minuend, we had to add these numbers. To get a subtrahend, we had to subtract these terms. This is the only trick you had to follow to get the missing numbers. Okay children. Now what we had to do? Either we had to add or subtract these numbers. We had to subtract this number in 900. Subtracting 800 in a 900, what we will get? 100 difference we will get. You clarify your answer? Subtracting 1 in 9. In total 9. If you are going to subtract 1, the difference is 800. So our answer is correct. Now, to get this number, what we had to do? We had to add this one. 8 plus 1, 9,000. Okay. To get a, which one? To get a minuend, we had to add this number. To get a subtrahend, we had to subtract these two terms. Okay children, like this you had to follow the steps to get a missing addend. Homework you had to resolve. Resolve in notebook. Quick way to subtract this you had to resolve in a notebook, whole page. Okay, at first all these two remaining problems you had to solve in a textbook, then you had to resolve in a notebook. Do it properly, send it. Bye.